So today we have a task, and we have a laboratory exercise. Could be it could be the laboratory 3, behavioral design pattern. The task is combine three design patterns under behavioral designs pattern to create a I mean, create a single system. So when we talk about behavioral patterns, we have different type of behavioral patterns. First of all, we have three patterns. Design patterns to be the behavioral, structural, and creational. So in the laboratory exercise, we use three combined design patterns, probably the behavioral patterns. So ano to din eh? So we have different types of behavioral patterns. First, Tatay observer, strategy, command, here, command, change of responsibility, interpreter, mediator, memento, state, templates, and visitors. So in my case, I used only I mean three behavioral patterns, probably the observer, strategy, and command. Okay. So next, explain how these design patterns are implemented and integrated in a system. Third one, lastly, create UML diagram and explain its process. So in my case, I use HTML to make a system for my laboratory. So as you can see, when I start this system, ako gibuhat na start home automation. Probably smart home na i-control niya ang home sensor, light control, and kita po na itong command history diri and fan control. So first here in home sensor. So di bali makita nato diri ang motion sensor, temperature sensor, and humidity. So when you click simulate motion, so probably kaning motion man gud kay makita nato. I mean, ma-detect niya ang lihok sa either tao, butang, or hayop. So i-on nato na siya. On nato siya. Next, change temperature. So here makita nato mag-change ang temperature if I click natin siya. Either 19 degrees Celsius or 26, 21, 20, 25. So here, change tong humidity. Probably ibugnaw na to. Ani? Or, patasok na to siya. And in this case, I use only observer patterns. When I talk about observer patterns, it's behavioral patterns that establish a one-to-many dependency between objects. So when the objects change in its state, all its observer are automatically notified and updated. It focuses on enabling efficient communication and asynchronous between objects in response to state changes. As you can see in the diagram from the client A, client B, client C, natay objects diri will be the i-store niya ang mga request diri sa clients. And i-notify niya through i-change niya ang kuan through notify and isa niya from the observer. So here. Natay kon diri ana, design patterns integration. So, observer patterns sensor notify device when the state changes. Motions and temperatures sensors acts as subjects while the light acts as observer. So next, punta tayo dito sa light control panel. So here, light control panel, same gyapon sa ato ang cellphone, di ba? Makita na to nga kung sa kakusog ang light sa atong living room, either 0 to 100. Tas natay options diri, light strategies from auto, i-auto niya ang isa ka kuan, i-auto I mean, i-auto which would be kung buntag, i-off niya ang light. If gabi, i-on niya. Magdepende lang sa brightness sa imuhang room. So bright, so probably 90% na ko sa bright. And dim like hinay lang nimo good for study. And next, if namoy kuan, natay party. Here. Tapos makita po nimo sa screen nimo nga i-click nimo ang party nga icons. So dire nagkuha na tag duha ka sign patterns. Strategy patterns and observer patterns. Strategy patterns this light use different lighting strategies, auto, bright, dim that could be changed at runtime. Okay. Yeah. So next, I mean, punta tayo sa strategy pattern. So when you talk about strategy patterns, that allows you to define a family of algorithms or behavior, put each of them in a separate class. Let's make them interchangeable at runtime. This patterns is useful when want to dynamically change the behavior of class without modifying its code. So, dili pa lang ako these patterns will be dynamic because change niya, dili siya static without changing any codes sa imuhang system. As you can see, natay quandary diagram from the client, mo address sa Y strategy, and then auto siya sa context niya. If if mangita ka diri kung unsay gusto nimo nga strategy, probably strategy A, strategy B, strategy C. Sa atong system, mo itong mga strategy. Auto, bright, dim, and party. Okay. So next, dito sa commands. Dito sa command. Ang atong command, di ba yung, mura siya history, di ba? Di ba? So once, na-type is dito sa isa ka country, i-change na to ang kuan, mo-notify diri temperature is now 90 degrees Celsius. Mo-notify diri kung unsay gikuan nimo, sige pang visit nimo sa imong system. So command patterns. So this history nagkuan siya command patterns. Naggamit ko command design patterns. So the commands like turning lights on or off, changing strategies are encapsulate as objects with execute undo operations. So, pwede siya undo last command. So, kanina, ikaw naman namin ko temperature change. I-change na po na to ang lightning. Strategy party. O, strategy dim. At pwede po natin i-reset taning sa command history. So, sitag sa dire. So, pila na dire ang change light strategy to bright. Okay. You talk about command design patterns. Command design patterns is that encapsulate a request as an objects decoupled. Wait lang. Record na ba? Decoupled, decoupled, decoupling the senders from the receivers, which mean from the user, ihatag niyang command sa kuan sa remote, mo niya to ang command. Si command na bahala ang mo execute, I mean mo run sa isa ka unsay gusto sa users. Kay ang user gusto niya ang kuan ang light. So mao niya ang light, mao niya TV, mao niya speaker and AC. Sa ato ang system gigamit itong command for history lang. And as you can see, pwede ba ito siya may undo and pwede ba siya reset. So natay extra diri nga kuan, extra diri nga icons or kuan, pwede off ang fan, ceiling fan sa living room, pwede ba ito yun. Okay. So next dito sa UML sign pattern. Ay, I mean UML. So from the observer, we have like a class, I mean we have a class, the attached device o detached device and notify device. Sa baba sa under the observer, na siya motion sensor. Na siya motion sensor. Ito yung observer. Motion sensor, temperature sensor, and humidity sensor. Mo niya ang ato ang observer pattern. Naka-malay na ni from the observer patterns from attach, detach, and modify. Padung sa lighting, from the device, wala ni ko device, light, from the pan, nag-connect ang observer pattern, ikan siya ha. And this is strategy, natin strategy diri, lighting strategy, auto strategy, bright strategy, dim strategy, o party strategy. Under set strategy natay smart home system. Mo nito mga sensors sa ato ang strategy design patterns. Sensor devices, command history, current strategy, add sensor, add device, execute, and undo command. Okay. So, balik ta sa ato ang observer pattern. So, matuloy siya sa device from the light and the fan. So, padung siya sa command, probably, execute niya ang mga ibaw pangbuhat sa ato ang uban design pattern, I mean, uban behavioral patterns. Ang strategy o observer. Isang execute niya unsay gipang buhat niya. So, mao ni ato ang command history. So, in command natay Sima Romontor. So, mao ni ang light og lighting strategy for fan og execute undo. Next, i-change niya ang strategy niya, i-execute niya. Marato, thank you.